everyone, welcome to my channel, and if you have already watched my previous videos, thank you so much for coming back. Today I would like to share how I made this pink ribbon chain bracelet. And compared to my latest two chain bracelets, which are apple chain bracelet and jack-o'-lantern chain bracelet, this is quicker to make because we only use 6 strings instead of 8. And apart from 2 parts that I will explain in this tutorial, the knotting process is also pretty simple and easy to make. So even if you're not so familiar with making chain bracelets or any crafts, I hope you'll find this quite easy to make as well. And so, alright, let's get started. In order to make this bracelet, we need 3 strings. For the pink ribbon, we need 1 string of 190 centimeters or 6 feet 3 inches. And for the chain and space, we need 2 strings of the same color in 160 centimeters or 5 feet 3 inches. First, fold all the 3 strings in half. Hold 1 white and 1 pink string in the left hand and make 1 larkhead knot with the other white string. Make 6 backward-forward knots on this side. Make 6 forward-backward knots on this side. Set the strings to start the ribbon motif. 2 pink should come in the center and the rest should come on both sides. First, connect the 2 pink strings with either double forward knot or double backward knot. Here I make double backward knot. Take the pink string on the right and make 2 double forward knots onto the 2 white strings on the right side. Take the left pink string and make 2 double backward knots onto the 2 white strings on the left side. Connect the 2 white strings in the center with either double backward knot or double forward knot. Take the white string in the center right and make 1 double forward knot on the white string. Take the white string in the center left and make one double backward knot on the white string on the left. Connect the two center strings with either double backward knot or double forward knot. Take the pink string on the right and make two double backward knots on the white strings. Take the pink string on the left and make two double forward knots on the white strings. Connect the two pink strings in the center with either double backward knot or double forward knot. Now we work on the right side. Take the white string in the center of the three strings on the right and make one double forward knot on the white string. Take the pink string and make one double forward knot on the white string. Take the pink string and place it on the left of the other two white strings. Take the pink string again and make one forward backward knot onto both white strings. Now compare the length of the two white strings and place the longer one on the outer side. This longer white string will be used to make the chain. Take the longer white string and make 4 backward forward knots onto white and pink string. Now we work on the left side. Take the center white string and make one double backward knot onto the white string. Take the pink string and make one double backward knot onto the white string. Take that pink string and place it on the right side of both white strings. Using that pink string, make one backward forward knot onto both white strings. Compare the length of the two white strings and place the longer one on the outer side. This will be used to make the chain. Take the longer white string and make 4 forward backward knots onto pink and white string. we just finished one round. Repeat the steps until the bracelet reaches the desired length. Okay, so here it is. I made 7 motifs and made 2 of 3 strand braids on each side and finished them with overhand knots. So now I am going to cut here. And it's done. So I hope this tutorial was helpful for you, and thank you so much for watching. Oops. And hope to see you soon.